Y'all gotta forgive me, I'm a little distracted. This is the first show I've ever done with an interpreter. This is right now. Well, I'm trying to learn retard. 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 Democrat. Democrat. This is the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. I knew it. Democrat. Democrat. Retard. Retard. Democrat. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. Are you kidding me? I did not set this up, Democrat! Democrat! It's the same thing! I quit! Mommy, good night, I love it.
Third Circuit Court of Appeals says that 18 to 20-year-olds can carry firearms outside of their homes for self-defense. Welcome to another installment of the Connecticut Gun Bench. Today's video is brought to you by P.A.N. Firearms, LLC, P.A.N. Firearms NRA certification and multifaceted gun training. You can reach us at 203-300-6343 or use our website at www.panfirearmsllc.com. As always, there'll be a link in the description box below. And if you like channel-like content and what I do here, you can support me with the link. Everything is appreciated. Connecticut residents, once again, if you plan on getting your Connecticut pistol permit, please make sure you get that training done before July 2024, because after that it gets longer, harder, more expensive. Just to disincentivize you from going out and getting your permit to in order to purchase a firearm. If you have your permit, watch the expiration date. Don't let it expire. There's a link in the description box for the online renewal process for pistol permits in the state. Put it in the calendar. Don't let it expire. Let's talk about this. Now, this is concerning the case of Lara versus Evanschick. It is a law that says that 18 and 20-year-olds in Pennsylvania cannot carry a firearm for self-defense. Obviously, the lawsuit was brought forward, and the Third Circuit Court of Appeals has now stated that the law is unconstitutional and struck it down. Now, this is really a huge win because we've got a lot happening across the country where we have Biden basically trying to ban the sale of rifles or specific rifles to anyone under the age of 21. States have laws in place that do the same thing. They also have laws about carrying firearms within a certain age. And it's interesting that 18, you can vote, you can go to war and so forth, but they're telling you you can't own a firearm and use it for lawful purposes, even though we got teenagers running amok in all the major cities in this country causing mayhem with illegal firearms. It just doesn't make no sense. But I'm going to come in here real quick. Okay. Firearm Policy Coalition win. Third Circuit strikes down Pennsylvania young adult carry ban. Okay. FPC announced that the Third Circuit Court of Appeals has struck down Pennsylvania's law that prevents 18 to 20-year-old adults from carrying a loaded firearm outside of the home for self-defense. The opinion in Lara versus Evanschick can be viewed on their website. But this is the FPC. Quote, is undisputed that 18 to 20-year-olds are among the people, people, for other constitutional rights such as rights to vote, freedom of speech, peaceable assembly, government petitions, and the right against unreasonable government searches and seizures, wrote Judge Ken A. Jordan, author of the majority opinion. As we recently observed in Range, there is no reason to adopt an inconsistent needing of the people. Indeed, wholesale exclusion of 18 to 20-year-olds from the scope of the Second Amendment would impermissibly render the constitutional right to bear arms in public for self-defense a second-class right subject to an entirely different body of rules than the other Bill of Rights guarantees. And that's absolutely true. First Amendment does not have an age limit. Now, I am a gatekeeper, so there's got to be reasonable rules, but we can send you to war 18 and then tell you can't buy a gun when you come back. Something's up. But I'm going to come down to here. Quote, we applaud the third court's decision in this case, confirming that 18, 20-year-old adults have the same rights to armed self-defense as any other adult, said Cody J. Wisniewski, FPC Action Founders Vice President and General Counsel and Counsel for the FPC. If it wasn't for 18 to 20-year-olds being empowered to exercise their rights to defend themselves, their loved ones, and their communities, our nation wouldn't exist. Exactly. It will be a deep perversion of the Constitution to prevent them from that same right today. Let's go ahead that is exactly true. We had teenagers fighting the Civil War. We had teenagers fighting the Revolutionary War. We had teenagers in every major conflict that this country has involved itself with, and we still do to this day. But then we tell them, oh, but your constitutional rights under we the people are going to be subject to gatekeeping because we just feel like doing it. Just doesn't work for me. Should there be rules in place? Absolutely. But this is a positive win for gun rights, period, across the country. Like I said, what's going on, we have a lot of restrictions in a lot of states for individuals under the age of 21 popping up here and there. This is going to set a stage for repealing of the infringement on the rights of the individual under we the people, because 18 to 20-year-olds are the people also. And we can't forget that. Positive win, let's see where it goes from there. Obviously, you'll see if it's going to become like a ping pong ball, like what's going on out there in California with the assault weapons ban and magazine ban. But we'll see what the next step's going to be. But let me know what you think. As always, you can leave your comments in the comment section below. And as always, any statements of violence or statements that lead to violence will be removed. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified the next time a video goes live. I will see you on the next one. Peace.